Hey there, Treviso Bay fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing Unit 1243, Treviso Bay in the Giaveno subdivision. This is the Arbor floor plan, part of the terrace line of condos that comes with golf membership included. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit. This one is being offered turnkey furnished, so you're going to get everything that you see. Let's take a look at this beautiful home here. As we walk in to the entry space, first thing to notice, you've got all the additional picture framing and woodwork, the chair rail there added on. And right to the left here, we walk into the kitchen. You've got a nice little eat-in kitchen space here. You've got your pantry closet, full stainless appliance package, and your kitchen overlooks all of your dining and living spaces here. Again, this is being sold turnkey, so you're going to be getting all the appliances, the forks, spoons, knives, the plates. Everything that you see here comes with the unit. Now, coming past the kitchen to the right is going to be your guest bedroom space. So here's your guest room. Got the bifold closet set up here. Nice little furniture package that comes along with this. Directly across from the guest room, you've got your bathroom here with the single sink, the commode, your combination tub and shower, and this is also where you have your laundry space here. So you've got a full-size washer and dryer with some additional storage directly up top. And then coming out into the main area here, you've got your dining space. You've got some bar stools right up here at the kitchen counter. And then you've got your nice great room design space here. And again, this is being sold turnkey, so keep in mind all the furniture, all the electronics, all the artwork, everything is included unless otherwise notated. So lots of nice upgrades in this unit. Let's go to the master bedroom in the back here. It's a king-size bed there for perspective. Got window treatments on all the windows. Upgraded lighting and fans throughout. Here you've got his and hers closets in the master. And then you've got your master bath over here with the single sink, the commode. There's a linen closet right here. And then also a standalone shower. Actually goes back a little further in there. You can see the bench there. And last but not least, we've got the views here. They do have a nice drop-down shade here at your sliding glass doors. And as you come out onto your lanai, nice little exterior furniture package here. And you've got a nice view that's of the Rookery Bay. And as you're sitting out here, you get the nice long view of Giaveno Lake here. All right, guys, so this is unit 1243. It's in impeccable shape. It looks like nobody's ever lived here. Feels like a model. Really nice unit here. If you're interested in offering on this unit, you can contact us at all of the information below. This is Roberto with Pinnacle Property, and we appreciate you watching.